Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to school. Dear students, this is our textbook New Oxford Modern English Grade 1. Dear students, today we are going to learn lesson number 1 for this book. The name of our chapter is Prem's Dream. Before we start our lesson, I will tell you the main objective behind the chapter. The main objective behind this chapter is to learn about articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun. These are two kind of articles: definite articles or indefinite articles. In English, there is just one definite article, the. There are two indefinite articles, a and n. We have three articles, a and the. Uses of articles. A or an article we use with indefinite objects, things, place or noun. A used before the word begins with consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, etc. There are 21 letters of consonants in alphabet and used before the word begins with vowels A, E, I, O, U. 5 alphabets of our English alphabet and used before the word that begins with vowels. And what are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Example of an article are an egg, an orange. Now we start uses of the. We use the before the thing that is only one of its kind. We use the when we talk about the particular noun or a particular thing or a particular place. Example: ocean, river, sea, planet, etc. Example of article the is the hungry cow, the sun, the Indian Ocean, the Bible, etc. Why use the here? Because we have specified the particular thing like cow, sun, Indian Ocean or the Bible, holy book. So we use the for the particular thing. When we specify a particular thing, then we will use the. Now children, I hope everyone clear. The main objective behind this chapter is to learn about articles. Now dear students, we are going to start our lesson number 1. The name of our lesson is Prem's Dream. This is a story about a small boy named Prem. Now, it is a hot day. Prem is in his garden. Where is Prem? Prem is in his garden. He is sitting under a banana tree. It has big leaves. As you can see in the picture, he is sitting under the banana tree. And the banana tree is having big leaves. Prem is counting ants. They are climbing a dead tree. As you can see in the picture, children, Prem is counting ants. Where are the ants? Ants are climbing a dead tree. He start counting 1, 2, 3. Prem is nodding his head. He is closing his eyes. He is getting bored and he start nodding his head. Is Prem thinking? No, he is not. Is he counting ants? No, he is not. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is sleeping. How can you say he is sleeping? Because he is snoring. Soon Prem is dreaming. He is making a present. It is for his mother. As you can see in the picture also, he is dreaming and he is wrapping a gift for his mother. Now on the next page, we can see Prem is climbing the dead tree. He is sitting on a branch. He is sitting on a branch. And what can you see in the next picture? He is chopping it with an axe. The same branch on which he is sitting, he start chopping with it with an axe. Prem falls down. Prem shout. When you fall, what you do? You start shouting. The same Prem starts shout. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Prem wakes up. The ants are biting Prem. What can you see in the picture? The ants start biting Prem. Now he is dancing and jumping and shouting and running. Oh, children, what you do when you fall down from somewhere or some insects bite you? You also start shouting, ouch, or start crying, oh. Okay. So, dear students, here we complete our reading. Now we will talk about our difficult words or keywords. First word is sitting, SITTING, sitting. Second word is counting, COUNTING, counting. Third word is climbing, CLIMBING. Fourth one is nodding, NODDING, nodding. Fifth one is thinking, THINKING, thinking. Sixth is dreaming, DREAMING. Seventh one is present, PRESENT, present. Eighth one is branch, BRANCH, branch. Ninth one is chopping, CHOPPING, chopping.